Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Tech Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Uber. Your profile picture in Uber makes you more recognizable to drivers or passengers, elevates trust, and gives a more personalized feel to the ride experience. First of all, launch open the Uber application on your device and make sure that you're signed in. After you're logged in with your credentials, from the home page of Uber, go ahead and tap on the account button at the bottom right corner. Once you open up this accounts tab, click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and then this will open up this home section. To update your profile picture, click on personal info and tap on your profile avatar at the top. If you want to upload your profile picture, you'll need to contact the support. Tap on Contact Support button and then follow through the on-screen instructions. After you tap on the Help option, you will then be able to see this Update Profile Photo page. Go ahead and follow through the instructions. Answer some of the questions and fill in the form and then click on Submit. After you have required information and after the Uber Help team supports your approval, and after approved, you'll be able to add a new profile picture on your Uber account. Whenever you upload a profile picture for your Uber account, remember that you should not wear any hats or sunglasses. You should have your photo of full face and top of shoulders. It must be in a good lighting, not blurry. There must be only one person in your photo, that is you, and the face should be centered in the frame and directly facing the camera. No filters, photos of a photo or photoshopped image are allowed. So that way you will be able to upload a profile picture for yourself on Uber. It might take some time so that the Uber team accepts your approval, and once you do, you will be able to reflect a new profile picture on your account. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.